Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Free Fire Max application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your App Store. Also make sure that the device that you're using is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Free Fire Max. In the search result, tap on the application that says Free Fire Max from G Arena International. Now tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait until the app gets downloaded and installed, which should be done in a couple of minutes. Free Fire Max is an enhanced version of G Arena Free Fire. It is a popular mobile battle royale game and is designed to provide improved graphics, better visual effects, and enhanced gaming experience compared to the standard version. Wait until the application gets downloaded and you will be able to launch, open and play Free Fire Max right on your iOS device. So that is it for today. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.